With Jane off in search of the laundromat, my dad and I set out to tour the Fisheries Museum of the Atlantic. It's built into several of the historic warehouses directly on the waterfront, at the foot of Old Town Lunenburg, just a few minutes away from our mooring by dinghy. With the Bluenose over at the dry dock, there was plenty of space to tie up our inflatable at the Bluenose dock, next to the museum. It's a fun and informative museum with lots of hands-on exhibits, like the woodwork shop where they're building a small dory. The Cape Sable, a retired 1960s side trawler, is part of the museum and is great fun to tour. All of the vessel's original fittings are in place, including the navigation instruments in the wheelhouse and the stove in the galley. My dad will be off to the airport back to Vancouver tomorrow. It's hard to believe he's been sailing with us for 10 days. So where was the laundromat?
Oh, it's quite a ways.
Is it?
Yeah. No, I had to take a cab, and
Oh.
but it was kind of nice driving around the streets. And a little bit of a
Tour? While Dad relaxed on the boat, Jane and I spent the afternoon walking the quiet and hilly streets of the old town, admiring the unique and beautifully painted homes. Look at through here. Look at the gardens here. Some of Lunenburg's first European settlers were Protestant farmers brought from various parts of Europe by the British to clear and cultivate land. Fishing and shipbuilding did not become central to commerce in Lunenburg until the mid-1800s. That enough?
yeah. Let's go back.
Lunenburg has a bit of everything if you like exploring. Old houses, warehouses, docks, ships, and churches. And if you don't feel like walking, there are horse-drawn buggies. Well, I thought we were going to go. We love to walk, and like Lunenburg so much at this point, we're even considering moving here. Oh, neat. They still do bronze and brass casting.
Yeah. There's like a bunch of bells back there. And
Cannons,
yeah.
ship's wheels.
Yeah, like boathook thing.
We've arrived just at the right time to enjoy Lunenburg's Folk Art Festival. It will bring artists from all over Nova Scotia to the arena at the edge of town. We walked over in the hope of finding something unique for the boat and our house. Next week will be the Lunenburg Folk Music Festival, and we were treated to a preview by a fine fiddler and guitarist in the park. A viola.
Yeah.
That's a great one. What does the one on the end do? Oh, here's a good one. Here's us.
Look at this one sold out.
vessels lost with all hands.
Schooners were built in great numbers after 1873, when Captain Ben Anderson returned from the Grand Banks of Newfoundland with 200,000 pounds of fish.
Yeah, I mean, like some of the rest.
Along with the ocean's bounty came vessels and hands tragically lost at sea. Their names are marked, more than 800 of them, on the memorial near the Bluenose dock.
2004.
Unfortunately, Bluenose is not there this year, but is across the harbor at the shipyard for a complete multi-million-dollar refit.